Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of Rise of Kingdoms for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, on the Rise of Kingdoms, I'm pretty poor, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited gems. So let's see if the gems go up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So as you can see at the minute, I got 350 gems, which is pretty bad. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get more. So let's just wait for this to go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, there they go guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to download this Rise of Kingdoms hack. So the first thing is go to your browser and just type in tweakmod.com. So once you're on this website guys, go to the search bar and type in Rise of Kingdoms. So you're going to see it right here, so press on it. So before this downloads, there's going to be a verification. So basically you just have to download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store. So after you do this, you will have the Rise of Kingdoms hack on your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's working. So at the end, it's just going to say like missing files or something. So I just got to download some of these. So we got like Mo Casino, this Family Islands has reached level 11. So yeah, peace out guys. Just do a couple of these and you're going to be good to go. So that's how I get it for your device. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But if you like Rise of Kingdoms, definitely try this out because it made me a millionaire. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.